Welcome to Yard Vibes again. There on a late night stream, Might come across the airwaves whether you drive truck up on the overnight shift. Maybe you happen to hear after the live on a rebroadcast. So yeah. Right, so we want to bring common sense Jamaicans together, basis mind Jamaicans, where we can share ideas as well as come up with solutions and hopefully navigate and each one teach one. Yeah, that's how we all look. Comment section is always there for advice or opinion. Thinking about some daily lives. Hopefully I had a phone number. You know what, see how you go. Yeah, but just want to catch up and see what's going on in Jamaica. Have quite a few topics. I want to do some video upon how they rob you when you build a house in Jamaica, lawyer, contractor, everybody. Yeah. So, yeah, more kind of break down some of the comments them too. From some of my previous video, go through and see what I go on. Is what I'm gonna say. Yeah, so I notice on the regular, every time I browse the news, there be a mass shooting I see in Jamaica. So what's up with this? Is this a new trend? Mass shooting? Will be a 5 and 6 and 7 people that get shot one place. What's going on? Yeah, me cover some video other day and see first video on TVJ mass shooting. And yeah, this is a live stream. I remember one comment what was very critical. So yeah, to all the people them where subscribe and leave them comment, yeah. Good, bad or the ugly, appreciate it. So some logical people are show up and some people who have attention to details and say, yeah, me I go live, bro, no, I think me go over this already too, bro, no, topic not bad, but the video look, yeah, so this, you probably never see the original live and see that this was the video we talk about, this was cut from a live. Our previous live, I may say, like right now, not to rehearse. We just jump on, press live, and chat in a real time. Freelance. Like what the guy named you Rasta used to say, freelance trucky. Him did that, that's all. Yeah, so freelance live stream, my boss. And again, shout out to Nari Williams. Here in a comment. Very logical thinking woman. Sure, and some of them ratchet bitches in here. Pardon my French. It goes to show you can't actually pick between a woman and Jamaica. You can pick the logical woman them by points. So a young man them take notice or you choose female versus woman. You can use certain things to filter them out. Don't be very weird how they write a sentence. But we're not upon that, you know. So yeah. See how the Prime Minister, he might go through this Prime Minister walk through and put slums in the thumbnail. A lot of people probably are getting mad, but that was the intention. Because Jamaica shouldn't have no ghettos or slums being the flagship country in the Caribbean, if you ask me. Too rich in culture and people and food and all type of different things for the damn near bottom of the Caribbean. So something is wrong systematically, economically, ideologically. I'm a top use word when I can't spell. Not even Trump, man, say I work with so much, man. Alright, no more, sir. Enough of them people where them praise for praise politician, then probably don't rather run out and kiss the politician foot, but just for harm them. But this is like a waste of resources and taxpayer money.
Yeah.
So, alright, no chatting in there, right? Yes. Okay. Let me go through. Sudan get him cartel people them mad, right? You sheep them mad. Should I pick on him? Get them mad? I don't know if it trigger them in. Where topic say? As cartel supporting or his kids. Okay. Where did I see this thing here with this man?
Boy, I can't run. Why are you running for the police?
Alright, let me just go through here. So, mass shooting, 5 dead on Waltham Park Road. What's going on?
For several
First time reviewing this, by the way. I mean, I'm not see it for the first time. Well, I don't know about them story.
parishes, retired showers and the St. Mary police have released the identities of the individuals who tragically lost their lives in a fatal crash on Sunday. The aim is to increase citizen security and to ensure the business community is safe for business.
Years old, and Paul Mullins is 20 years
for business.
We had a major town sweep here as we try to ensure that the environment is safe for business and for our shoppers to feel safe to carry out their shopping in an environment that is.
So I just in a shopping area where I'm telling the people that might walk home with the things that they purchase. We don't need security just in a shopping area. We need national security. Island wide. Fuck you mean?
Is conducive to what we expect and what they would expect from us as well. It was a major success. We had a number of our stakeholders on board, and we would consider that it went well, and we'll continue this type of operation as we move forward.
Stakeholder in a war.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake this morning visited the scene of last night's mass shooting on Waltham Park Road. 5 people were killed. The Prime Minister said he is very disturbed by the incident.
We have to deal with this, and we will deal with this. We will
We're even going to further how?
not relent in degrading, eradicating, and eliminating gangs and gang members. And I want to be absolutely clear on this. I've given a policy directive that these multiple victim violent incidents must be dealt with specially.
Must be dealt with specially. So, just saying like a bunch of stuff with nothing behind it. So, I'll be here as if I was a citizen. It must be dealt with, but no way, no plan and how to make with at least have like a hope how it gonna deal with. When we are going to hear said this amount of budget are going to go towards eliminating crime completely. We want to hear the $5 billion Jamaican dollar budget towards crime. And a structure and a plan for every dollar how it going to spend. 2025, how much decades people are going to go through fear living in a community where you can't walk. You can't live like a normal citizen.
Andrew Holness' government continues to be blasted for its handling of the country's energy sector. And despite announcing
And just like that, that news was done so quick. How short was that? 3 minutes, 45 seconds. It's a less than a minute to take for when I Prime Minister address one of biggest title. When I not pay attention. Cause enough people lost, you know.
GCT reduction on JPS bills from 15 to 7%. The opposition says that will not be enough to ease the burden of the citizens. Details in this report.
A dismal performance in the last 9 years. That's
There's no way that couldn't be all the news from the Waltham Park business. The Prime Minister walked through with a whole big shot. It has to be something else out there. This is a day ago. Yeah, there's no way. I'm reading. I take time and go back on it when I so pause. Jamaica Prime Minister. Prime Minister. Waltham Park.
Multiple victim violent incident.
I don't know how them man there, they can't play them thing. We not hear nothing there, so. So this look like it was just a freaking photo shoot for some have a big entourage. Could be a 15-second video, may I say. This is 3 years ago, so Waltham Park been hot. Waltham Park again 1 month ago. Like what them a people here must imagine that being a kid grew up in a this place. Look, the same headline again from Teach Them 8 months ago. 5 people shot and injured off Waltham Park Road. Fast forward 2024. Mass shooting, 5 people dead on Waltham Park Road. You can't make this up. This have to be systematic. And Prime Minister come out now and say we go like this man can't be serious.
Mr. An investigation is currently happening Wednesday evening.
Wait a minute. 3
A
minutes
retired
40.
police sergeant
In gangs and
mass shooting on Waltham Park Road. 5 people were killed. The Prime Minister said he is
Listen again and look how it just fine. Because I said, we never even see that before.
very disturbed by the incident.
we have to deal with this. And we will deal with this. We will not relent in degrading, eradicating.
After people in my Waltham Park hear this, and me just trying to find what a longer speech from him today and discover that this ain't the first 5 people shooting on Waltham Park Road. See it up on the screen. Teach them 8 months ago.
5 people were reportedly shot and injured in the 85-lane community of Waltham.
So what happened 8 months ago? Here you comment.
They said he is very disturbed by the incident.
We have to deal with this. And we will deal with this. We will not relent in degrading, eradicating, and eliminating gangs and gang members. And I want to be absolutely clear on this. I've given a...
Jamaica people will have to be a real idiot. Waltham Park. All I had to do was just search Waltham Park. And I find multiple headlines and different time, different year, with 5 shooting, and the Prime Minister to come out and say some nonchalant stuff, mediocre stuff, about something that been going on for years. And only now have friendly protests. This can't be real. 3 years ago, 2 killed Waltham Park. Look,
Now
2 years
to
ago,
the story
5
of a
gunmen flee
bank
from
robbery gone wrong
that
and how
fully.
the
What happened to them at that time? Yeah? See, they're 5. I'm not gonna take that the press conference with that a big walkthrough there. That is it. Full time people stop wake up and stop talk about power and show. Guess what? If the era there, you ain't see no change, vote the other way. It look like there's still fear election in Jamaica. Whenever you hear about now, they might do things to the citizens if you go vote, something like back in the day, but you never hear say. So that in itself probably say election. Fear since people ain't go out. Instead of a system, so it look like we still have some democracy there. So. But multiple 5 shooting on Waltham Park, as we just saw. So my thing is when the people are gonna wake up.
Multiple victim violent incident. We are very disturbed by this, but I invite Jamaica and the press who are here with us to recall that a few weeks ago
So I shouldn't believe you when I can get one next headline on your son.
Up first this evening, the St. Andrews South Police say while they're shaken by the killing of a colleague Friday night, they stand resolute to take on criminals who attack them. One of their own, Constable...
You ever see when one cop get killed in America? With all bloods out with them a cop, yeah? You ever hear when they end up on a manhunt? Somebody will shoot a cop. With all hands on deck, house to house, door to door. Jamaica, that Jamaica need. Yeah? Fugitive. Cop killer. Fugitive. Manhunt. I can't spell. Look better than that still. Manhunt. You remember even him? You remember how we placed it the pound?
Officers were involved. Spree would be.
Play the news.
A local police force. So when a cop is shot, it's always very personal for the local police force. So when a Mississippi officer was killed and another critically wounded right before Christmas, more than
personal enough in Jamaica. When a cop die personal enough. Government not take it personal. When 5 people get killed one time, government not take it personal, it seems. Or come off by government, the people not take it personal in their own area. So should I stop blame the government and start blame who raising these people? What are we killing? What are the conversation I mean one of people not ready for if me start talk? Cause you can see me even start talking and people thin skin I get rubbed over artists. Yes, I touch an artist and them I get mad in the comments. Imagine if me start touch for them own soul. So, as you can hear from the beginning of this, just like the bottom below this, where he talk about gonna look fix crime. Just below that headline is a cop gone down, and that area have multiple 5 murders after and civilians. I hope. Our fellow gunmen, I hope. These cowards need. How many of them are gonna like them? You know what funny? Everything them take from America. Would mind then go live online in some key and feel like them and them ups and gang versus up. Why them have to bring a civilian there? There's so much open land in Jamaica where they can go bring them care and live stream and do whatever. Like them boy doing at Chicago and them place when them a gang fight and them tell them up say, yo, we over here so. At that type of time we want to see them depend and then we got shoot out it within one another way now affect regular civilians. I want to chat to them, I'm ready for chat the way I want to chat yet. Somebody say Sir PT on steroids. You need to start chatting in 20 minutes. You need to chat the way I want to talk it. And it's 20 minutes. So yeah, there's something mentally going on in Jamaica why them youth can't even have conversation and try to be men. Like everything is reaction, immediate reaction, nothing thought out. You can't just tell. All of these killings just based off emotion and some stupid reaction. No logical thinking. Yeah, I don't know how it gonna take to fix, but it probably I think it has to start with the woman. Again, that need to get breakdown. But hopefully I get passionate enough to edit. And my life will bring look a bit of data and context to what I talk about, you know. Because when me say it, nobody not gonna believe. But if a white man say it, yeah. And remember we're black and white. So it'll take a lot more than me if you say it. And a message to all the people out there with experience or some of the beautiful women them in the comments. And whoever listen to this, a lot of you guys have a lot of experience. Just like me, if you don't want to put your face out there, turn on your camera, go live and talk and bring your experience out there because there's too much lost people out there. And ignorant them have a loudest voice. People them when I no substance, we have push nonsense, them have a loudest voice. So for at least 2025, we have to go give them a fight and drown them out with common sense. So bringing common sense to Jamaica 2025. Go and put that on a t-shirt. So anyway, I go back to where's the number one news source in Jamaica now? TVJ. I'm going to me another TVJ. Bear with me, man. High grade.
But before
Alright,
the
so
break, the
people at Waltham Park go out, start if you no can. Or people them who the people them who may have a voice with the voices, kind of for them people that can't talk and come out based on where them live and situation and retaliation. So whoever have the resources to get the information and talk with some of them people, yeah. And if you start talk, so I mean you want to talk about cartel too much. Sometimes I just use him when him start nonsense for influence you them. For dragging people and beat them with common sense in stupid fans them. So help the voiceless. Hopefully this platform can't find a common ground, as me say, for extreme business and ideas and solutions. Okay, so where we at? Woman drove herself to hospital after being shot 6 times. Again, where infrastructure like when it comes to a hospital, healthcare, ambulance, yo, where money are going at Jamaica, a whole heap of money are got flow to Jamaica. And one of the reasons why Jamaica is not on top as number 1 Caribbean island is them local Monday in the market and them places. The local man from over so we are buying US dollar there undercover. It ain't going through the banking system. I bet that's millions of dollars every year on I sell the US and buy US. So now keep on the country down when they not do that. For them topic, you touch it topic. Yeah. So this should take a lot of we talk about homeboy say Timu Serpi. It takes a lot for sit down and listen and hear about crime and murder every single day. Shout out to him. Cause you have to have some type of good mental space for cover and think so much murder case and all type of shit. That can't be right for you, even though he's a good businessman too. Based on his YouTube business. Talk about that another time. So yeah. What else can I see? We need to prepare better for the live stream then, but as we say, we just a jump on. As soon as I see the 5 business, they are going. I remember seeing mass shooting already last week on a video me cover. I say, yo, so much mass shooting. That I knew the new catchphrase now. "10-year-old killed in Manchester." Gosh. Okay. Body found in shallow grave in St. Elizabeth. Oh, go on.
Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Police in St. Elizabeth are investigating the death of a man whose body was found.
Even if your homeboy exhale just now, like he's sick of just hearing him murder, like another one. This can't be good for you. No fun run talk about mental health. Because you hear everybody on TikTok and everywhere talk about mental health. No fun Jamaican. Every look of blood clot, that trend, see you jump and get control on mental health. Get the fuck outside, go run and walk. And go in tune with nature about mental health. I want to consume too much nonsense. Mental health then on a hand, on a phone. Sit down and watch other people's life and think about on the life like other people. That is the mental health.
Found in a shallow grave in Lovers Lane, Black River.
And yes, we know that people out there do have mental health. For all you NPC out there. Mental health is real, yo. Mental health real, how am I talking? It's so easy me shutting out in a comment. If you don't listen. Book up in the right one.
This morning, the discovery was made after neighbors reported him missing on Thursday. Amoy Harriet tells us more.
This was the home of 58-year-old Linton Daly, passionately called Frank. He lived here for many years. Little did he know he'd also die here. This would have been where his neighbors last saw him a couple days ago.
When every morning me pass with my grandkids them carry school, me call him. From Monday I keep coming here calling him nobody. And I say something must be wrong with him.
Miss Dean Bent and his other neighbors grew suspicious, so they filed a missing persons report on Thursday. Then they formed their own search party.
So me call him cousin now and say, come pick me up. We have to find him today. And I'm and him cousin and my son-in-law go down in the bush go find him.
They found the
So sorry. I kill him.
body in a shallow grave behind his house, partially burned with a string tied around its neck. The residents are still struggling to come to terms with the gruesome scene.
He used to walk and sweep up people's yard and mix mortar. And my friend, me cry this morning because I'm my friend.
I know him very well. Manageable, humble youth, hard working, never stop work. Once him get the work, he's going out there to do it. Independent. And to see what really happened to him is a shock. Shock. But then tell me I know me shock. I'm telling you, sir. Can't come to myself.
Now it's unclear exactly how long the body has been there. The police told our news team off camera that they suspect foul play, but their investigations are ongoing. Amoy Harriet.
If there's a shallow grave, there's no when the digging in grave and burying yourself. There's no question. There's no reason for suspect that is foul play. Why the people them so evil nowadays? The most evilest Caribbean country. That me gonna start labeling me video them. Most evilest Caribbean island, Jamaica. When me have tiger stuff. I believe in all type of war and evil. I sacrifice this and that for one's selfish reasons. When someone living on themselves, when looking at a mirror, I wanna feel. You know, say you kill them man because you was a coward and a weak shell of a man. I wanna feel. Can't live good with none enough on yourself. Walk around with so much hate. And it's alright if you have a look at hate, you know. Just like me, I start to despise Vice Cartel sheep. Sheep. Did I add a S just now? Yeah, thank you for the ladies and we're writing a proper English too in the comments. Well appreciated. We need more of that. We want to use proper writing to separate the women from the females. Then. You want more Nari Williams in here. Samantha well written, put in 1 and 2 patois in there. Then I should just fuck off with the patois. We know where I come from, we know our roots, but the patois can also be, in my opinion, it can hinder you in a life if you're not in a Jamaican circle. Sometimes you might write professional email and you have a word contradicting in your head and you might write something way. It's part one when it's not. Guess depends on your brain and where you focus on. So me want you talk about Andrew Horness where I mash up Jamaica. Oh, okay. Oh, that's some old shit. Yeah. When I'm say about the Haiti, Jamaicans and Haitians are deliberately sabotaged in an economic and social way. That is a fact. Somehow me feel it's a bit because Haiti are the first black country to get independence. Sometimes I feel like them is just a great big example. Like people say, alright, you know the first one to have independence. If you think no, I wanna go follow you, they must see what happened to you. If they follow you. boom, crush him. Hey, you over there, Mr. Bahamas, you want independence? You better watch what happen over here. For U.S. Virgin Island, you see what happened? You sure you want independence? All right. Who knows? You see what happened to the flagship Jamaica? They're right down there in the gully. So maybe 2 days. What? Is there a plot or a conspiracy against Jamaicans? Haitians have all the Western governments and journalists against them. Wow. So, who know about the Haitian things? Yeah, you see, this is why I'm on a live stream and I can have people talk about things we don't know about and pull them up and make some of the ignorant Jamaicans like myself in a certain topics get enlightened. Peer real. Relix. What? Can't pronounce that. What's happening to Haiti is not different from what has happened in Ukraine, Iraq. Okay, cue this, maybe in theme way. Anyway, probably the first language, all different things, right? In French. Pierre is a French name, so this is not this man English language. We're not going to cook him for the spelling, as I myself have been spelling right. Afghanistan, Venezuela, Congo, Palestine, etc. A country cannot collapse by itself. There's always foreign countries involved in the destruction of a country. Example, the Ukrainians are not responsible of what is going on in their country. US and its allies are behind all of that. You see, logical thinking, you're right. All them weapons, yeah, US, that's how US eat, you know? All those weapons over there. Yep. Lockheed Martin. Let me show you a Jamaican something. I found a Jamaican where I talk about chumbo. What you call it? US this and that and war. This is how you make money out of war. Who is the biggest supplier of and the arms dealers in these wars, weapons? I thought what one must find ways to make money from it. Lockheed. Alright, this is off topic now. People are talking about investing now. This is not financial advice. This is what we want to do, you know. Lockheed Martin. Charts. So much shit, man. So when the war begin again, you know what? Let me find something else to show you. CNBC. Lockheed Martin. LMT, right? Okay, motherfucker, stop spamming me. Okay, 17% year to date, right? So if you had investing 10,000 at the beginning of the year, or $1,000, you're gonna make $150. 10,000, $1,500 from Lockheed Martin. Here you can go read about the company. A long time I navigate inside. So it's on the side here. Lockheed Martin Corporation is a global security and aerospace company. The company is engaged in research, design, development, manufacturing, integration, and sustainment of advanced technology system products and services. Its segments include aerodynamics, aeronautics, missiles, and fire control. So you see, these are the war stocks. And I think them stock up pay dividends too. Summary, okay. Dividends. So you get paid a yearly dividend just for whole stock. So this is where when you hear Buffett and them and hold $1 billion worth of stocks, then get paid 2% a year no matter what happens. How low or how high, based on the value of the stock at the time, they get paid 2% every. Some pay a dividend every month, every 6 months, every year, divided into a month. So if you have 1 billion, 2% per 1 billion is 100. So that would be 20.5 or 20.5 million, right? 25 mil. 100, yeah. So you don't get paid 25 million off $1 billion every year. Just by just holding it. So I don't know if you navigate stocks, when to buy, when to sell, or if you have ideas, or if you join up on the charts of Jamaica stock market. They are say one of the best stock market in the world too. I don't know if you navigate it. We're not investing in it or not with no money. Or not buy gear and clothes and all type of nonsense. So we need to find people who are investing in a Jamaica company platform and talk how to trade and all type of stuff in a Jamaican stock market. You can teach people about resistance, support, no volume, good entry points, or read candlesticks. So yeah, microchip, the most valuable company in the world, Nvidia, is when the data about 2020 microchip. This was the real microchip. I want to do a special video. We are going to edit for that one. Breaking down how this microchip control Jamaicans. So yeah, we're there chat for how long? 43 minutes. Stop at 45. Right, this is the funnel of girl culture, yeah man. Yeah. Citizens of Jamaica need easy access to gun. These people are running around knowing that them alone have the guns. So if more citizens they have gun, most of them shooting I wanna stop because people don't act right. So now for when we jump on the bandwagon, oh, gun law in America, cause it was yeah, some Jamaican come in front of me about, oh, too much gun on, you need more, you. I said, look, the most democratic city, them, New York, Philly, Chicago, those are Democrats state, California. I think Detroit, if they're not swing. These have some of the strictest gun laws in these cities. They are the most murderous with black people. Those are the equivalent of our ghettos in Jamaica. People mostly act right in Florida. Yes, you're going to hear shooting, but generally people act right because everybody have a gun. The people move with more respect. So probably more Jamaican citizens need access to licensed firearm. Maybe that might tame in the crime a bit. You know? Who knows? Alright, 45 minutes. We out. Stay blessed. Remember, constructive comment. And hopefully Oh, might do a Thanksgiving live. Long Thanksgiving live, you know. So if you're around, jump in, talk up. Soon as I grow, I got add a telephone line. Taking some live call, you know. Peace out. Bless.